strip. And holy fuck. What an ordeal, hey? This poor little DK2 Plow. It's still going now. With the big old beast. Big old ram. It's a gasser 3/4 ton, but hey man. She a beast. On to the next one. Does a pretty damn good job, I think, in my opinion. Little DK2 Plow. It's not bad. Oh. Oh. Good money right here. 150 fucking bucks. It only takes you 15 minutes. Nothing broke. Fucking not bad. And we've been at it since 4:40, 4:30 again.
Totals to update you on. Here's one, 24 inches in Negaunee Township. Now, this isn't at the Weather Service office. They're still sitting at 17.3 as of 7. That's what was received back in 2001. The Weather Service says this is also its 7th snowiest March day on record and snowiest March day since 2012. And in terms of liquid precipitation, the office recorded 2.16 inches as of 5 p.m., breaking the previous March 5 record of 1.86 inches set in 2004. So let's take a look at some of these other totals. 16.5 inches in the Aura area, 16 inches in Sands Township, 14 inches for Harvey, 13.5 inches for Houghton, and 11.3 inches.
Fucking straight axle. I tell ya. That's a bitch. Fucking turn around 4-wheel. Oh yeah, fuck, dude. These motherfucking people. I know, you guys got work to do. But you fucking suck. You should have left to work already. What's funny is there's actually a plow truck here that has never fucking plow. Like it don't run or something, I don't fucking know. I'll probably get stuck in this shit for sure. Oh my god. Me first. Fuck everybody else. I'm working here, bitch. All the way back. Ain't so bad now. Chevy, I can't tell because I'm in such a fucking big ass truck. I don't think I could fit through here. No wonder they use the little S10. This thing is way too big for this shit.
Eyes up!
Larry! I have no idea what this guy's doing, but he's gonna have to swing her wide. Probably not the best spot to turn around, bud. Been out and about, just touching up a few places and getting a couple of new ones. You saw one of them. But yeah, 5.5 hours, and I gotta wait for Lauren, my neighbor here, to wake up so I can get him. And then this neighbor here. Very back dragged his. Got work work the plow in because it doesn't have down pressure. I didn't record it, but I wish I did because I'm actually impressed with that little DK2 plow. It has 0 down pressure, mind you. And I was able to dig this guy's yard out for him. I thought I was a goner when I got in there the first time, but I edged my way in, broke this up pretty good at the road, worked my way in pretty good. Then there's my dear friend Julia. She jumps 4-wheelers and stuff. One titty goes flying in the air. Yeah.